Let's talk about your lock screen. The first thing you see every time you pick up your phone. Why not make it personal? Today, I'm showing you how to change the clock style on your lock screen. I'll demo with Galaxy S25 Ultra, but if you have iPhone, Tecno, Infinix, Xiaomi, or OnePlus, I've got you too. So to begin, you go to your settings, and you go here where I don't know, you can go to tap. Okay, yeah, go to lock screen and AOD, this one, lock screen and AOD, and then you may see, if you see here clock style on this screen, you can touch it, right? Otherwise, go here, it says edit lock screen. See, edit lock screen, you touch it and you can choose your, okay, here you go. So it opens. This is my lock screen now. So I'm talking about clock today. So if you want to change this clock, you can go for a cool thing. Maybe you can go for this, or you can go for that, or look at this, that one, or even this one, or like that. Oh, this one, oh, this is cool. So that's it. You cannot equally change, let me put it like this, you can equally change the font size, the font and color. You can change the font to that or to this, or the color. You can change the color, customize it your way. Okay, so when you finish, you go to done and apply. So this works. It works even better if you're using always on display, so the changes appear on your standby screen also. So now for iPhone 16 and above, you have to lock your iPhone, and then you tap and hold the lock screen, and you tap where it says customize, and you tap the clock to change fonts and style, color. You can change color too, and you hit done to save it. So iPhones let you preview changes live, so you can even set different lock screen for different focus modes, right? And now for Tecno, Infinix, mostly all Android phones, so many phones like Tecno, Infinix, they also offer the clock style customization within their theme engine. You have to do this within the theme, right? So you open the theme app and you long press on your home screen, and you tap customize or personalization. You go to lock screen settings, and you tap the clock style or add AOD style, and you pick your favorite color, favorite look and color, and you tap apply to save. So on Infinix and Tecno, this may appear under HIOS or SOS Labs. On Xiaomi, check inside the themes app, and then profile, then customize, and then lock style. All right, so and that's how you give your lock screen a personality boost. Let me know in the comments, did you go for bold, minimal, or colorful? If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who's stuck with a boring clock, and subscribe for more smart tips like this.